how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be on IShow hair. Look at the packaging. I love black, y'all. I love black. I love pink too. But this is IShow hair. And actually they sent me, it says IShow hair, you show beauty. Isn't that unique? That's beautiful. Okay, so, happy New Year's, y'all. Okay, I am so super excited. Super excited? Okay. Anyway, I am so excited for the 2021 because I think this is a year of prosperity and blessings and overflow. So I am like super excited, okay? So inside of this package right here, they send me a wig cap, stocking cap actually. They have a card here for IShow, 20% off on your $20 off your next purchase. Thank you for choosing. And it say, I love IShow. And what they have is all of the connects right here. I know it's a glare, y'all. I apologize. So, also what they give to me is the wig. Now, this wig is actually a 24-inch Brazilian Bodywave. And this is what the hair looks like. And it is a closure, a 4x4 closure. So this is what you get right here, which is okay because you could do some things with it. You have a comb here, a comb here, a comb in the back, and you have the elastic band right here. This is what the inside of it looks like. Now, I don't know exactly what, I love the texture of it though. I don't know exactly what I want to do today, but I know that I want something kind of cute. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead on and just get into the video. And everything you need will be down in the description box. So please read the description box because it is very important. That way you will get the details of this wig. Oh, we have baby hairs, guys. It's pre-plucked too. Pre-plucked. With baby hairs. So I'm going to go ahead on and get into the video. And I'll be back at the end of the video to let you know my thoughts. my J babies, I am back and I am done with the finished look. And this is the look right here. I just love IShow hair. This hair is like really nice. It's nice and fluffy. I wanted some nice fluffy curls. Y'all don't make fun of my little, you know, my little concoction I put up there. I just wanted something like really cute and off the face. Something different. And this hair is like really nice and bouncy. Do you see this? Honey. So I put it like a little teeny ponytail, but it wasn't enough of the closure to be able to wrap it. So I didn't worry about wrapping it. But this is what she looks like. And she is 24 inches. It's a 4x4 closure only. And the closure you actually can make look like a frontal. Oh, yes, you can, honey. So this is the finished look. Let me turn around so you can see the back. This is what the back looks like. And this is my hair for today. And I will come back for an update for you guys. And like I said, this is IShow hair. And I will put everything you need down in the description bar. Now, as far as the shedding, y'all, I didn't get no shedding, like nothing on this hair. Not on this one at all. I didn't get no shedding. And I'm like super excited about that because, honey, you can get some hair that sheds. And this one, I mean, I'm pulling actually hard and I'm not getting nothing at all. So I just thought maybe I'll put some nice bouncy little curls in. I got a little something up the top just to get off my, you know, something different, y'all, okay? So, like I said, IShow hair right here. And this is stuff that she has, that they have on here for us. They Facebook, YouTube, and is that Instagram and all of that. So I will have everything you need down in the description bar. Y'all, how y'all feel about my hair? I think it's like super cool, super sexy. You know, something different for 2021. All right, y'all. So let me stop looking at myself right there and look over there. So everything you need will be down in the description bar to purchase this hair if you would like to purchase it. Also, they have other things, other hair like deep wave, loose body wave, kinky, all of that on their website if you would like to go and see what they have. Check them out. I will put everything like the Instagram, the Facebook, because they do have all that. So everything you see in here, in this pamphlet, if I can get the pamphlet open, everything you see in here will be down in the description bar. That way you don't have to strain your eyes. That way you'll be able to see. Y'all, I love this satin bag that they gave you to put your wig in. I really like it. I love these, y'all. Better than a box. You know what I'm saying? I love these. Okay. All right. So remember, 2021 is the year of prosperity, blessing, and also overflow. So let's just give you a word for the day. The word for the day is just believe that you can. Anything you put your mind to, you can do it because your steps are ordered by the Lord. All right? Be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.